Hi, I am Berkan. This video is the people who want to start their own business. We will explain techniques to help with creating your visual identity. First, you should clearly identify your target audience. To help you with this, we put some learning materials in the description. Once you know your target, you should come up with a name and motto for your business. This will help you understanding your goals and the type of your business. A good technique to use to come up with a visual style is called mood board. Mood board is a collection of images, fonts, colors with specific styles. This is a time to experiment and brainstorm. Try creating easily identifiable styles which are consistent with themselves. Once you have your mood boards, test them and ask for feedbacks to understand which style fit your business or service more. Is my business more friendly and colorful, or is it simple and elegant? Remember to use a color palette and fonts that fits the message you want to send. After finalizing your style, you have to create a logo. There are three main types of logos. The first one is a logotype. Only consists of text, the name of your brand. An example would be a Coca-Cola. The name can be stylized to fit your brand. The second one is wordmark. Has both text and symbolic elements. That symbol can represent your product or service. Example, NASA. An iconic mark is an easily identifiable symbol that makes your brand stand out. The best example is Nike. To help create these elements, we recommend the following software to use. To create website, you can use Wix, Canva and GoDaddy. To make videos and ads, you can use DaVinci, Windows Movie Maker or Adobe Premiere Pro. To design your logo, you can use Photoshop or Illustrator, Inkscape or GIMP. I hope you find this video useful to create your visual identity. Please like and subscribe for more learning materials. Hit the bell button if you don't want to miss out on our latest videos. I was Berkan, and thanks to your watching and listening.